back to shooting videos on the Dodge Journey GT rollover. This is not final fit. I still got to do some final cuts and stuff and adjustments. This door is actually not adjusted correctly. But I still got to cut here. I'm actually going to overlap it, so I'm going to actually put a bend that where these two will overlap but be flush, and then I'll weld it. Doors look good. I've looked at several of these Dodge Journeys, and none of them actually can give you a real good gap setup. Some are different than others. This door is actually out a little bit, which this door's been damaged, so I imagine the door's sprung. But I still got to cut back here. Do the same thing I'm doing up there. Do a little bit of a cut on it, and then I'm gonna bevel it, and then I'll weld it. Had to take it to a friend's body shop to have them look at it and tell me where I can bend it. This part here was crushed in a little bit, and they actually pulled that out for me. And I talked to them, and I actually had to cut the inner structure piece. This isn't high-strength steel. The high-strength steel is inside. This is just normal steel. But I asked them if I could cut it, and they marked it where I could cut it. Same with back here, they marked it. They said I could actually cut it clear down to here, which I didn't want to do that. But I'm going to bevel this here, so the new piece will overlap. This ain't high-strength steel either. So this piece will overlap, and I can weld it. And I'm going to plug weld it. And then I'll weld it solid here and sand it smooth, and you'll know it's been replaced. This top structure piece had to be replaced. It's just actually clamped in place so I can check things. I haven't worked on the driver's side because I know this is bent down, and I'm gonna actually try to bend it back up. If not, I'm gonna end up replacing it. But if you guys see, this is actually a bar that actually goes across, and if you guys see the hose line up, this is actually for the not for the non-sunroof version, or for the sunroof version. I don't remember. I could be wrong. I don't remember right off the bat. Yeah, it's for the non-sunroof version. And this is actually going to get a sunroof. But I had to replace this whole top structural piece clear back to here. Clear back to here. I had a lot of spot welds to drill. But I had to replace all that section to get it correct. This is not going to be a long video because I doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes. So, I mean, I work on it for a little bit and then I stop. Then I work on it for a little bit and then I stop. But this piece was completely replaced on this side. Actually cutting it out. I should actually videoed it, because after cutting it out, this side was bent down a little bit. But after I cut it out, this actually is sprung up. And it actually had about 1/8 of an inch gap when I cut it. But all the other pieces are being welded in place. Everything's being welded back in place. Or spot welded. Just a couple of spots. Just so I can make sure everything fits. Because I'm going to actually work to the driver's side. I'll walk over there. Excuse the mess. I'm cleaning the garage and reorganizing a little bit. So it's kind of a mess. If you guys see, let's close this here. If you guys see, this here gap is way off. I mean, this has to go in a little bit, but that gap is way off. So I've got to find out why. I mean, I gotta find out why, and there's probably reasons, because none of this is actually welded in place or spot welded or anything. So I'd probably take care of that. But this here side, I think, is pushed over. I think this quarter is pushed over a little bit, or pushed in a little bit, because there's damage down here. They actually started pulling on, but I had to stop. But that's where the Dodge Journey is. I actually replaced this whole side section. I know where I can cut these. This is a sheet metal body, or the outer shell, so I know exactly where to cut it, or cut it, and I actually cut it a little bit further than what they said, and I'm actually overlapping all the gaps, so it will be strong. But I just wanted to give you guys an update because people have asked. It is coming along. I will get back with you when I get a lot more done. I mean, I'm reorganizing the garage and doing some new upgrades to some things in the garage. I actually bought another item that's got to be put up. So, but if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. I'm sorry that it's so short, but I will get back with you when I get a little bit further along. But thanks for watching.